All right, in this video, we're going to be plotting points. So in the last video, we were given a point and we had to give the ordered pair. This one, we're going to be actually plotting the point. So they're going to give us the ordered pair, and we are going to plot the point and label it. So we're going to plot these points. So we're going to plot F, and F says 3, 7. Now remember, we're always going to do our X, which is side to side first, and then we're going to do our Y, and in this case it's usually going to be up and down, but today it's only going to be up, okay? So for every single one, we're going to always start at the origin. If it's a positive 3, which it is, we're going to go 3 times to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. And now our Y is 7, so we're going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will plot a point right there. Now I'm going to erase my work though as I do it, because your work should not show the little loopy loops, just the dot and an F. See how I started at the origin, I went to the right 3 times, and then I went up 7 times. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try G. G says -3. Now remember, negative numbers are to the left of 0. So we're going to start at the origin. Our X, on our X number line, our side to side number line, we're going to go to the left 3 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Our Y is 7, so now we're going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to plot a point right there, and we're going to label it G. And remember, we're going to not show scratch work, because when we want to go in and read your final answer, it's going to be easier to just read if there's no scratch work involved, okay? All right, now let's look at H. Remember, we're always going to look at our X first, our left and right, and then our Y is up and down. But today we're only going up. We're only practicing quadrants 1 and 2. All right, so now we're going to always start at our origin. We are going to go to the left, because it's a negative number. We're going to go to the left 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go up 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're going to plot a point right there, and we're going to call that H. Okay, we'll do 2 more, so then y'all can go back and do your lesson. All right, let's look here. Let's do J. We're going to do J. And our X is -6, and our Y is 0. So let me show you how that looks. We're going to start at the origin. We're going to move 6 to the left since it's a -6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because my Y is 0 means that we're not going to go up or down. We are going to stay at that -6. So point J would be right here on this x-axis. All right, now we're going to do K. And let's look at when the Y is 0. So again, like normal, we're going to start at our origin. Now, it says 6 to the right this time. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, if our y is 0, we're not going anywhere. We're going to leave k right there. All right, we're going to do one more. Let's do n. Remember, x is going to be 0 this time, and y is going to be 15. So, we're going to start at the origin. My x is telling me I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm not going to go left or right. I'm neutral. I'm going to stay right here in the middle. But my y is telling me I need to go up 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So point N would be right